Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this dreamy coquette hair look in Dress to Impress. If you want to achieve that viral hyper feminine and romantic coquette aesthetic, you can just watch this video as I recreate this coquette hair combo. Now let's just get started. So I've already in the hair salon here. You can start by going to the Updo hair category, then put on this hair and use the color that you'll prefer. Then I'm going to toggle it into the classic one. Here I'm going to use this color. Still on the Updo hair category, put on these hairs right here. It's the same color. And then go to the curly hair category, then put on this hair, but toggle it into only bangs like this. And last one, use this one and toggle it into bangs only, and that's it. So you'll get this cute coquette hair. I hope this combo will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye.